Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to crop a video in CapCut. Cropping is a good way to focus on specific parts of your footage, so let's get started. First, open the CapCut and create a new project or continue an existing one. Ensure you add the video you want to crop by selecting it from your gallery. The next step is to select the crop tool. Tap on the video clip in the timeline to bring out editing option. Next, you look through the option and select adjust. It will bring out options of either to mirror, to rotate or to resize. Select resize. You will see adjustable edges around the video. Drag the edge to crop the video to your desired frame. You can also choose preset aspect ratio like 16:9, 9:16 or 1:1 to make it fit different platform. Once you are happy with the crop, tap on the check mark to apply the changes. Your video is now cropped and ready for further editing or export. And that's it guys, you successfully cropped your video in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. Bye bye.